Hello people, how are you? My name's Kev, this is Angling and Anxiety.
Fish on, baby! Listen to that reel! Fish on!
It's all about the angling, it's about the anxiety. Right, welcome back to Angling and Anxiety, guys. This is a random trip. Basically, if you don't follow the social medias, you might not know, but I spent £1,000 on getting my clutch fixed, had a new clutch put in it, and then boom, a week later my gearbox goes. So now I'm looking at another £1,000. It's killed me. So at the minute my boat's off the road, my car's off the road, but it is being repaired. But a friend of mine's got a boat. He's interested in going to try for a few inshore threshers. There's been a few seen really inshore, so the aim of the game is go down there, have a go. There's a possible chance of a tuna as well, you never know. We are using wide traces, so you're not got a massive chance, but we're going to have a go nevertheless. See if we can try and look ourselves a thresher, maybe a tuna, and yeah, just have a go really. In this video I'm going to be doing a little bit of testing. I've got a new drone, going to be doing some aerial shots and things like that. I'm using a new editing software, Adobe, it's called Adobe. Sounds funny when I say it. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit different, a little bit, just trying to switch up a little bit, trying to make it a little bit better. I'm no Steven Spielberg, I'll never pretend to be a Steven Spielberg, but yeah, having a bit of a set to with a certain massive YouTuber. I won't mention no names, but yeah, he's been slating me to the ground, telling me I've been begging for marks, this, that and the other. He hasn't yet had a video of a thresher shark or a poor beagle, so to get another one would really put the icing on the cake. But yeah, I'm not gonna, as much as he's got hundreds of thousands of subscribers, I'm not gonna give him a gratitude. I think the man's arrogant, but it is what it is. We're not going to go into that. But yeah, get ourselves down there. Don't want to start it off on a bad note. Just like to go down there and just show him it. Just because I've got a little 17-foot flyer and I apparently beg for sponsorship, doesn't mean I'm not worthy of my calls. And at the end of the day, I do this for the good reasons. I do this to help people. I do this to guide people. And I do this to try and put a smile on people's faces. He does it for the money. Fair enough. But I don't. But yeah, enough about him. Let's go and try and catch some sharks, man. It's been a while. It's been so long. Honestly, so long. But it's been hard work. I've got no motor or nothing. I'm properly restricted. But yeah, fair play to me, mate, for letting me come out on this boat. Unknown angler's going to be there as well. Pardon me. When me and Unknown come together, we usually produce the sharks, but we'll see. But fingers crossed, as I like to say. Let's get ourselves down there, man. Pow! feeding the blooms out, guys. Nice live mackie on it. Chums over the side, ready. That mackie's a lively one. Right, we've been out about an hour, people. Nothing so far. There's a few birds working in the distance. Gannets, I'll show you them in a minute, it's pretty cool. Dolphins, we have seen one tuna this morning. No threshers as of yet, so just have to wait and see, really. It's lovely day though. Nice northerly winds, keeping it nice and calm out there. Let's have a look at this gold, eh?
Yeah. Fish on, guys. Double take. There's a very good possibility this is bluefin tuna. Unbelievable power. This has took probably, don't know, 600-700 metres of line. Strong fish. I'll bring it back in a minute, I need to concentrate. Right, I've let Redman do have a go on the fish now. It's a super strong fish, man. So strong, unbelievable. Cannot believe we've got a double take. We've got Glenn up the front here. Glenn's into a big fish in his lucky t-shirt. Getting extremely stressed. I'm going to get this fish to the side of the boat and I'll bring it back. Right, I've let Redman do have a go on the fish now. It's a super strong fish, man. So strong, unbelievable. Cannot believe we've got a double take. We've got Glenn up the front here. Glenn's into a big fish in his lucky t-shirt. Right guys, that's that fish dealt with. We've had to basically unhook, let it go and concentrate on this fish now. This fish, we should be able to get some good photos and stuff. But yeah, immense, mate. Sweating, angling anxiety, trust me. Life, bud, if you can. You know what I mean?
Fish has just come to the surface, guys. I shouldn't have let you go. Literally to the surface. Nice spiky fin. Definitely a bluefin tuna. What are the chances? What are the chances? Is that side of the boat clear, yeah?
Red, keep hold of me. Yeah, thanks, mate. Good. Yeah, cheers.
Going for another run. What a buzz, mate, what a buzz. I love this, man. This one's to the birds. You know you are. Right, bring it back, guys, and let's concentrate. Still on, still feeling. Luckily, I managed to get mine in relatively quick, because if we'd have had the same troubles at the same time, mate, who knows what could have happened. He's tiring though.
Grab me, man. Grab me, bro. Grab me.
Teamwork. Makes the dream work. Still not done. Yeah, baby. I love it. This is over an hour with this fish has been on there. It's just touching the hour mark. Unreal, mate. Absolute monster.
Forward left.
Lovely, that is Ren.
Just can't win with this fish, guys. You cannot win. Fish is still hooked, still on, still fighting like no tomorrow. Unbelievable power. It's just crazy, crazy fish, man. We cannot believe it. We knew they were about, but we didn't expect to hook them. Do you know what I mean? We're wire traced up. I mean, Loki Adventures the other day had one on wire trace as well, so it does happen, but two at the same time, man. It's crazy, honestly crazy. I think after this pain, we would prefer the thresher, but there you go. Still battling. We've now seen the fish, guys, and I am telling you, this thing is a monster. Absolute monster. Just trying to finish it off now, trying to get it in so we can get it, unhook it, gaff it, recover it and get it back. But mate, it's just so strong. Such a monster, honestly. Like I can't even describe to you. You might just see a little glimpse of colour. The actual enormity of this fish, unbelievable. Double take, polished with an absolute monster. But we will get it up. Pain is it's unbelievable. I'm glad I got one in soon. Poor old Glenn's suffering here, mate. Harness is broke.
Harness is whacked.
Bring you back, guys. Second fish is there, guys. I don't think you can see it. Just trying to get some sort of footage just so we can concentrate. Getting the fish unhooked, gaffed and released. Nearly there. Very nearly there. 2 seconds. Have a look at this fish, guys. You cannot see the sheer enormity of it. It is unbelievable. Unbelievable, mate. We're gonna get some photos and we're gonna get a towing back. Ready, boy? Look at that. Just towing the fish back to recovery. Have a look. Have an actual look. Let me get off the side here. Monster.
Yeah.
I'm doing a video. Look at that.
Yeah.
Teamwork, boy. Teamwork. Yeah. Look at this monster.
Enormous. She's coming back to life though.
She's coming back to life.
Look at that, boys. Big girl.
Just recovering the fish. Honestly, like, what an absolute unit. Like, unbelievable. Unbelievable. The fish. Let's make sure she gets. Look at the tail kicking. So the tail kicking. We just want to make sure that everyone knows that his fish has gone back 100% safe.
Look at the tail kicking.
It certainly wasn't a target. And the fact we didn't know we could have caught it, but we didn't expect it with a wire trace. But have a look at that.
Ready, boys?
Absolute powerhouse. Angling anxiety, baby. Thank you very much, Mr. Tuna. And she's kicked. See you later. Oh, yes! Yes! seconds. Right guys, we're on our way back in. I don't know if you can hear me, but we are indeed on our way back in. Still buzzing. Went and done a little bit of gilling. No luck. Got caught in the wreck a couple of times. So yeah, shoot back. Hopefully have a nice smooth journey home. Job's a good one, man. Angling anxiety, baby. Love it, man. I'll catch up in a little while and have another chat with you. But yeah, just letting you know what's going on. Yes, so happy.
Right people, that's us, we're back in the motor. We are at Mac, getting a Mac. One last thing, middle finger to the haters and the doubters. We love ya, keep doing it. Angling anxiety baby, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. On to the next adventure. Love it.